A firm produces X unit of output per week at a total cost of rupees this. Find the output level at which marginal cost and the average variable cost attain their respective minima. This is the question. Find the output level at which marginal cost and average variable cost. So first we have to find marginal cost, then average variable cost. So first marginal cost. How to find marginal cost? I told any marginal you will get if you differentiate that thing. So this is the cost function written here. Now to get marginal cost we have to differentiate this. That means if you differentiate this one, 1 by 3 into x to the power 3 differentiation 3 into x square. So this 3 and this 3 cut, so it will come x square. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of 5x is 5 into x differentiation 1. Plus ddx of 3 is constant, that is 0. Now this one we have to find minimum or maximum. Respective minimum is we have to find this function maximum or minimum. So to get maximum or minimum we have to differentiate this function 2 times. See here 2 times differentiation done. MC dash means ddx of x square is 2x, ddx of 2 into x, x is 1 and this thing constant, so it will come 0. Now see for extreme value or for minimum value or for maximum value MC dash equal to 0 you have to write. Then put the value 2x minus 2 equal to 0. 2x minus 2 equal to 0. This is the value of MC dash. So what will you get here? 2x equal to 2, that means x equal to 1. 2 by 2, that is 1. So this x equal to 1 if you put here MC double dash, here you put. Or MC double dash you are getting 2. Direct you can get that MC double dash, this is greater than 2 means minimum. So we are getting minimum value. So what is the minimum value? In this function you put the value of x. So what is the value of x? I got 1, x equal to 1. So here if you put 1 square, that is 1. 2 into 1, that is 2. 5 is there. So 5 plus 1, 6 minus 2, that is 4 answer. Now average variable cost. Average variable cost. See this function, this is cost function. Let me rub everything, then I am telling. This is cost function. Now among these, variable cost which one? This portion is variable cost. Because x are there, this 3, it is fixed cost. No x is there, this is fixed cost. This is variable cost, this is fixed cost. Now to get average variable cost, I told you to get any average, you have to divide by x. So this one you have to divide by x, that is done here. So this thing by x means 1 x will cut, so it will be square. X square by x, that is x. 5x by x, that is 5. So this is the average variable cost. Now this one we have to do maximum or minimum. So to do maximum or minimum, we have to differentiate it 2 times. See the first differentiation means dash, ABC dash equal to this one will be 1 by 3 constant, it will come out, and x square differentiation is 2x. So 2 by 3x here. X differentiation is 1. 5 is constant, its differentiation is 0. You may write. You may not. Now ABC double dash means again you have to differentiate this thing. 2 by 3 into differentiation of x is 1. And constant differentiation is 0. Now for extreme value, we are doing everything that first differentiation we have to write equal to 0. Now put the value of ABC, that is 2x by 3 minus 1. 2x by 3 minus 1 equal to 0. Now send that one this side, it is coming this. Now x equal to 3 will go up, 2 will go down. 3 by 2. You are getting 3 by 2. So that is the answer.